Section 12.3 talks purely about cylinders. Remember, a cylinder is basically a can. It has a top base, a bottom base, and then the round area around the outside. So think about first, if you were to take the label off of a can, what shape is that label? That's one of the most important things to realize, is that the shape of that label around the outside is actually a rectangle. We have two circles, these two circles here and here. Those are your top and your bottom of the can. And then if you take the label off, it actually becomes a rectangle. This distance from here to here is connected all the way around the circle, and it's the circumference, or 2 pi r. So we take the circumference times the height for the lateral area. We take 2 pi r times the height, h, and then the bases, it's a circle, so it's pi r squared. So let's take a look here. Find the lateral area and total surface area of the cylinder. And it says r is 3 and the height is 12. So lateral area is 2 pi r h. 2 pi times r is 3. H is not 13. H, oh, why is that going away first? Let's try this again. 2 pi r is 3. H is 12 this time. 2 times 3 times 12 is 72 with a pi then. Our bases, we have 2 of them, and each base is a circle, so it's pi r squared. 2 times pi r squared. Let's go ahead and plug in our radius, which is 3, and square it. 3 squared is 9, times 2 is 18. So our bases are 18 pi. Our total surface area, add them together. Bases plus lateral area, we get 90 pi. Your check for understandings online will tell you to round that as a decimal. That's the only time I want you typing in 90 pi. If you type in 90 pi into the calculator, you should be getting 282.7. So that would be something you would answer on a check for understanding. Every test and quiz, I want you answering 90 pi. So example 2, area of the base of a cylinder is 36 pi and the height's 15. So we're given the area of one base. So here's our cylinder, drawn just as nicely as the one on the previous example. We have a height of 15. We know this area of this one is 36. So my two bases have an area of 72 pi. So since one base has an area of 36 pi, my radius can be found by solving for pi r squared. Pi's will cancel. 36 equals r squared, so r is 6. This distance right here is 6. So for my lateral area, which is circumference times the height, I can plug in r. R is 6. My height is 15. Go ahead and multiply 2 times 6 times 15, and you get 180. Now we got to add our bases to that to get our total surface area, and we get 252 pi. And this is a quick video. This is the last one we got. DC is 8, AD is 10. I want to find the surface area. So before I do anything, I already have H, which is 8. I don't have R. R is right here. It's half of this entire side, which is one of the sides of this right triangle. So ignore the cylinder for a second. Look at this right triangle. What 8 and 10 make a right triangle? If we know our triples, we're getting 6. Since we're getting 6, R is 3. My lateral area, forgot the A, my lateral area is 2 pi r h. 2 pi r is 3, h is 8. 2 times 3 times 8, that's 48 pi. So the lateral area is 48 pi. We have two bases because it's a cylinder. So that's 2 times pi r squared. 2 times pi times r is 3, and we square it. 9 times 2 gets us 18 pi. So we're going to add the 48 and the 18, and we get that the total surface area is 66 pi.